Here I have DOOGEE T20, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings. Not settings, firstly you have to open contacts. Then go to the fix and manage section here, select manage SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to transfer, like you can select them all or to just select the ones you need. Then tap import, and after that these contacts will appear on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.